second. Thomas welcome. 4-5. Alright, this is 4-5. Alright, before we start this race, okay, 4-5. And also Ringo, they need a cheerleader, okay, a team supporter. Okay, now let's divide you guys into 2 groups. Okay, for the first team, 4-5. The 14 4-5. We divide from the middle, from this line until to my right side here. You guys will be cheer for 4-5. Okay, team 4-5. Come on, how about team 4-5? Let's have a presentation. 4-5 next. 3 times. 4-5, 4-5, 4-5. Okay, ready? Now on count. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. Okay? One more, Mr. Jumping down heavy. Come on. Team 4-5. Please start more loud. Okay, you sound louder, please. Come on, ready? On count. 1, 2, 3. You sound good, right? I think good. Okay, now for the second team. Ringo, 14 Ringo start from this line onto my left side. You guys will be cheer for Ringo. And 14 Ringo, let's practice. Okay, shout Ringo name 3 times. Ringo, Ringo, Ringo. But 14 Ringo, can you guys make sure? Shout more loud than this. 4-5, say louder. Okay, now ready on count. 1, 2, 3.
Ringo, Ringo, Ringo.
Okay, thank you so much. Now, let's get ready for 4-5 and Ringo. So we go for this okay? And for the cheerleader, team supporters, okay, let's start as long as you can, okay? 4-5 and Ringo, are you guys ready? Okay, now good. On your mark. Get set and go! Faster, come on! 4-5, look at 4-5, go 4-5! Go, you go, Ringo, shot! Ringo! Okay, awesome. Okay. Ringo cheating. Ringo cheating. God, Mr. Shafi say Ringo cheating. Dia main tipu ke? Okay, wait. Now, how about let's say the word? Okay, kita buat kemudian. Okay, let's word first now. If you guys think that Ringo is cheater, please put out your hand. Wow, so many from 4-5.